SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore. In this video series, we're looking at indicators or technical indicators. Now, as the name suggests, an indicator, an indication of market movement and potentially where the market could be heading if you can interpret and read these indicators correctly. Now, this is our introduction, so what we will do here is cover what these indicators look like, how you can select them, and how to apply them to a chart to read them. So firstly, let's get underway and just look at our charts. And this is a candlestick chart. It's a way of reading price movement. It's universally accepted, it's widely used, and it could be something that you want to use to have a look at price movement. This is not an indicator, it's just a chart to show you how the market has moved. Now let's use the same stock, the same price action, but now interpret it with a bar chart. Again, everything's exactly the same as far as the price goes, it's just a different way of reading the market movement. Once again, let's have a look at the same stock, the same price movement, but now interpret it with an area chart. So the blue area is all one, instead of being chopped up into individual days joining. It's all joined, starting on the left-hand side, up to the highest point on the chart in the middle, and then falling away down here to the bottom right-hand corner. So that's an area chart. So what we'll do is use a candlestick chart, and now we're going to apply a technical indicator. Now up in the middle there is our technical indicators tab. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be presented here with a selection panel of all the different types of indicators that are available to you on SharePrices.com.au. Now we want to select a MACD. It's a pretty universally accepted technical indicator. Now once you've selected that and say, yes, I want that, it then brings up some time zones here. So what you'll see is 3 of them, and they all default firstly to the fast moving average, and that is a 12-day, then a 26-day. Now to get our MACD, we minus the 12 days from the 26 days, and that'll present us with our MACD line. And finally, our signal line defaults to a 9-day average. So once you say, yes, I'm happy with that, create it, there's our price chart, and now here's our technical indicator applied to our chart. Now what you'll notice straight away is it squiggles around and moves up and down and crosses over, and it almost looks similar to the actual chart of the price movement itself. Now that's the point, but what we'll do as we move on in this video series is have a look at what all these technical terms mean when these lines start to cross over one another. What you can see is how it starts to follow a trend. Coming in from the left-hand side moves up a little, the stock price up here moves up, the indicator moves up. Now the indicator is always a direct representation of what has happened here. But they start to cross over and move around, and that's when you start to get a few little hints that maybe it is on the way down like here, and maybe it's going to continue to fall, or maybe over the other side it's going to pick up and stay up. So really interesting stuff, and if you can learn these, it's a little insight, a little hint at some market movement potentially in future. So some interesting stuff ahead. So make sure you check out the rest of the series. You will see the MACD in there as one of those examples and how to read it as well. But as for now, we've got our series on indicators, and this is our introduction. So watch that again if you need to learn how to find the share prices indicators and where they are on the site. We've got some good videos coming up, including the MACD. As for now, thanks for watching. I'm CJ Dore. Happy trading to you, and I'll talk to you again soon from the SharePrices.com.au studios.